Good morning students, this is Pradhan Sarkar in front of you and here comes with your new topic on your third chapter, that is word processor and introduction. Okay, so basically we are going to discuss about this chapter in very detail and some basic topics which are just simply in this chapter. Okay, you can just simply watch the headline which is in pinkish in color, that is learning in this chapter. So basically there are about 10 topics in this chapter that we are going to be discussed, but in this video we are just simply discuss about the three topics, sorry not the three, or the two topics, that is features of features of MS Word 2010 and starting MS Word 2010. Okay, so let's get started with the first topic, that is features of MS Word 2010. But before starting this video, I'm just going to simply remembering you that if you are a new viewer in my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly. So stay with the first line, that is Microsoft Word is a word processing software. As we use our notebook to write word or sentence, in the same way we can use MS Word to type the text on a computer. This is a very simple thing that we have just simply done. That if I am a teacher, okay, so I wanted to teach something to you, or I wanted to write something else. So what should I use? I have to simply use a pen and a paper, like copy, like a notebook, okay, like a register. So likewise this I just simply use it, or I can also write on the blackboard or on the green board. So instead of blackboard and other things, but if you want, as a student, if you want to write anything else, then what should you do? Then you have to use a copy and a pencil or a pen, okay, so that you can write anything that you want that is very important for you. So basically this MS Word 2010, this is okay. Here is MS Word 2010 is a software developed by Microsoft company. Okay, so this is a version 2010 which has some very exciting features in it, so that we can make our document very professional. Okay, means we can give the look to our document very professional. Okay, so a word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. Basically we can just simply edit our we have to just simply mention some document, okay, maintain some document. Likewise, just as an example, suppose I have about 10 or 11 12 friends, okay, I have only 12 friends in this school, suppose, and I wanted to mention their names, okay, what are their names, what are their mobile phone numbers, and what are their WhatsApp number, after that the address, so that suppose if there is an emergency or is there any occasion at my home, and I wanted to call someone else so that he can help me or to join that occasion, or that happy occasion, so he has to or she has to come to my place, to my home, so that he can also enjoy that occasion. Suppose that is a party of Diwali, or a party of Holi, or my birthday party, anything else. So I can simply make an occasion or a party on my home, and after that I can call them all so that they can come to join that party and they can also enjoy that. So we have to mention a list of my all friends with the help of MS Word 2010. Okay, so I will simply make it more attractive with the help of table option, with the help of numeric option, with the help of changing the size, color and font style of that of the font. Okay, which are this font is what? Font is the typing style, means the way, the alphabet, the numeric you have to simply type. Suppose I have written this much here, okay, so this is the font, okay, and the font size, suppose I have typed F of this size, okay, I can increase it, I can decrease it, the size of the font. You can also do this. You can also change the color. Suppose this is white in color, you can change to pink, to blue, to green, to yellow, to white, whatever you want, whatever color you want to change with that, you can change it with the help of Microsoft Word 2010. Okay. Now everything you can do with this Microsoft MS Word 2010. This is a very good software for us, okay, so that we can maintain our documents in a very professional way. Okay, now the first point, okay, now the first topic of this video, that is Features of MS Word 2010. What is that? So Microsoft Word 2010 enable us what? The first point is type text as well as add picture to a document. That is very important. Okay, suppose when we are a small kid, okay, and when we grown up, okay, with the growing years, we just simply maintain our beard also, okay, so you cannot recognize your friend with the face. So it is very important to mention or to post a picture just beside its name, so that you can also recognize your friend when you just simply met after a long time in future. So it is very helpful for you. Okay, basically this is very helpful for you to make it very professional. Means, okay, let it leave it. There is another example. Suppose I wrote a letter to you. I just wrote a letter to you that there is a party, there is a birthday party, or you wrote a letter to me, or you wrote an invitation to me that, sir, there is an invitation party of my birthday, and you have to come to my home so that you can enjoy the feast. Okay. So, but how I can recognize you? Because according to your name, there are many students that I have taught in the past, in the present, or might be I just taught the same name in the future also. So you can attach a photo so that I can recognize you very well. Okay, so this is a very interesting feature. Now make change in the text, such as inserting, deleting, copying and moving the text. You can insert the text, you can move the text, you can copy it. Suppose I want to copy this line, suppose I want to copy only this feature word, and I just simply select that word, and after that Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V, these are the commands by which I can simply copy and paste. If I want to delete that text, then I will simply select with the help of keyboard, and after that press the delete key, and after that I will just simply find that this word is going to be from there. Okay. Now the third is read document easily and give a presentable look to the text by using different color, style and effect. Yes, this, as I told you in the previous of this video, that I can just simply change the font style, font size, font color, everything I want, whatever I want to just change, I can change it. I can also give the underline to it. Okay, means this feature is just like this. Okay, this like there is a class, under it there is an underline. Okay, subject, there is an underline. So as I just wanted to add the underline over the heading, I can do it with the help of MS Word 2010, because this feature is enabled in it. Okay, now after that, yes, the fourth point. Remember that the fourth point on the page number 32 is very important. Okay, because it is the very important feature which the MS Word PowerPoint, sorry, not the PowerPoint, MS Word 2010 will give us. Okay, that is the spelling and grammar mistake. Okay, suppose I don't know the spelling of feature. Suppose, okay, here you can see that it is correct, but suppose it is wrong, then what should I do? Then and nobody here who tells me that Pradyuman, the spelling of feature is wrong and the correct spelling of feature is FEACTURE. Okay, this is the right spelling. Then how could I simply make my spelling correct? So that computer, not that MS Word 2010 has an inbuilt feature in it, that is spelling and grammatical mistake. What the computer system do? When you type the spelling, it will just simply automatically recognize by the computer system, and if it is right, then there is nothing else. But if it is wrong, then it will be just simply shown in the red squeezy line, blue squeezy line or green squeezy line. Okay, so squeezy line is just simply shows that there is some mistake, like spelling mistake or might be grammatical mistake. Okay, so you can change it. You can also do some punctuation mistake. What is that punctuation mistake? So punctuation mistake is that the first letter of any sentence is to be capital, and in the last of any sentence there is a full stop. If you don't put the full stop, or you just simply not write the first letter of a sentence capital, then it will denote with the help of green squeezy line. Okay, and if there is blue squeezy line, and if there is any grammatical mistake, then we will show with the help of, it will denote with the help of green squeezy line. But if there is any spelling mistake, like suppose the spelling of starting, this is also correct, but suppose the starting spelling is wrong, then what should the computer do? It will just simply denote that starting word with the help of red squeezy line. Okay, so this is basically a very most important feature enabled in MS Word 2010. Now find and replace text. Okay, means suppose you want to replace this starting word with feature, then what should you do? You can do with the help of MS WordPad, because there is a feature by which you can replace it. Okay, you have to just simply find that starting. Suppose you write a letter, okay, and you wanted to find some word, but you cannot find them. Then the computer does this work for you. Okay, so suppose you are not able to do some word, but there is a friend who work for you, who help for you, so that you can be a very good student in your class. So likewise, your friend, your computer also do such type of work for you, so that you can make your text very attractive. Suppose you want to change starting word with a beginning. Okay, beginning is also like same word like starting. So I can simply write here beginning MS Word 2010. That is also correct. I will simply write starting MS Word. That is also correct. So I wanted to change starting with the help of beginning. And now what should I do? I will simply go to the find and replace option, and after that I will simply type. I have to change that word. What is that word? The word is starting. With what word? With which word? Beginning. Then I just simply click on the OK button and it will change automatically. Okay. Now step margin, spacing, page size, page border easily and give a neat look to the document. Means I just simply make a border over there. I can just simply set the page margin. Suppose I wanted to. So this is the last point. Okay. I will simply write about 3 or 4 inches. Okay. Might be about 6 not 4 inches, it's about 5 to 6 inches. I will simply left 6 inches from the left and 6 inches from the 6 or 7 inches from the right. Okay, also some about 1 to 1.5 feet from the bottom, and some might be 1 inch from the top side. So this is called the page margin. Okay, likewise page margin is likewise this, that you have to simply watch in your book that the text is started just half or 1 inch away from the page. Okay, from the left side, from the right side, from the bottom and from the top. Okay, so this is the page margin. Now save the text for future use. Save the text for future use means, suppose I will simply make a list of my friends and their mobile number and their addresses, and I will simply wanted to use them in future. And what should I do? I will simply make a list in MS Word so that I can just simply save it. In my future use, I can just simply open that list in my next birthday, and after that I will simply call them all and they will enjoy that birthday party. Okay, so this is a future use. Print a part of a document or entire document. If I want to print only this much of a page, I can print it. If I want to print the whole page, I can also do this with the help of this feature. Okay, so print a number of copy with a short time. I can print a number of, suppose there is a 50 student in my class, then what should I do? I wanted to give this page detail to all the class. What should I do? I just simply type the number of copies, that is 50. I just simply write the 50 numbers of copy I want. Then first the procedure is, when you just simply type the document over there, you just simply click on press the Ctrl plus P button, and after that there is a number of copy box over there, and you have to, there is mention might be 1 or 2. Okay, you have to just erase them all, and after that type 50, and after that click on OK button and wait for some time. You will got 50 print out from the printer. That is very is then a very helpful feature from the MS Word 2010 application. Okay, so basically this is the entire discussion about features of MS Word 2010. Now we will just be moving to the second point, that is starting MS Word 2010. Then how could I just simply start MS Word? Okay, according to this book, this is very long procedure, but I will give you some short procedure by which you can just simply open your MS Word application in just a go, in just 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, so what are they? Let me read first the book, and after that I will tell you my my way that what should I do to open MS Word 2010 with very fastly. Okay, so the first point they told us that click on the start button. Where is start button? It is on the left side, bottom left side of the monitor screen. Okay, there is a start button, you just click on over it, and after that there is a start menu, and after that click on the all program. Now click on the Microsoft Office. Now select the Microsoft Word 2010 from that list. Okay, when you just simply there is an appearance of start menu in front of you in a pop-up second. After that click on the all program option. When you simply click on the all program option, there is another list of some application which are shown over the list. You just simply find there is a software naming MS Office 2010, and when you just simply click over it, again a sub menu of that list will just simply open in front of you in a pop-up style. Again you just simply find there is an application naming MS Word 2010, and you have to click over it and wait for some time that MS Word 2010 application will open in front of you in a pop-up style. Okay, this is a very large process because you have to find all these things with the help of mouse. Okay, but there is a shortcut. Means everything when something is to be difficult for you, there is a way by which we can just make it very shortcut. Okay, so what is that? Just hold your keyboard with the help of these 10 fingers, no, 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. Okay, now just look at me very carefully. I just told you that what should I do. So first of all, press the start button from your keyboard. Okay, press the start button, type WORD, that's it. You have to just simply type WORD and press enter button, that's it. Finish. And when you just simply raise your eyes up to this monitor screen, your application is already started. So this is a simple way, or that way which is told by the book is simple. What is simple? You can mention me in the WhatsApp section. Okay, so this is a basic process. Press the start button, type WORD, press the enter button, and your MS Word 2010 will open in front of you in a pop-up style. Okay students, so these both the topic I just simply covered in this video, and I'm thinking that this video goes lengthy, so I'm just simply stopping this video here. But before stopping this video, I'm just simply remembering you that if you are new here in my channel, then go there and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, select all from the list so that you can get the notification of my video very firstly, and you can also press the like button also so that I can get motivated over here that I'm teaching well or not. So students, stay with me on my channel. Goodbye students.